Hi, welcome back to my Python series. Today, we are going to be learning about if-else conditions. The if statement evaluates a condition, an expression that results in true or false. If the condition is true, the code block inside the if statement is executed. If the condition is false, the code block is skipped. In this example, a is a variable of type int with the value of 10. B is another variable with type int with the value of 2. If A is greater than B, they will print that A is greater than B. And in this case, 10 is greater than 2, so therefore, A is greater than B will be printed onto the terminal. Elif is a keyword that is an abbreviation of else if. If there are 2 plus conditions, elif is likely to be used. Here, if the score, for example, is 92, then A is going to be printed. But if the score is in the 80s, mostly, like, for example, 84, then B will be printed. Below that, if you have the score as a value of 73, then C will be printed. And for instance, if you have 67, then D will be printed. The else statement is executed if the if condition is false. Then the code written in the else block is carried out. A is the int variable with the value 2. B is another int variable with value 10. If A is greater than B, A is greater than B will be printed. Else, B is greater than A will be printed. Since 2 is not greater than 10, the else will be executed. And since 10 is greater than 2, B is greater than A will be printed. Nested ifs involve placing several if conditions inside one another. This structure allows a program to evaluate a secondary condition after an initial condition has already been met. So if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then inside there is a nested if member. If member, then ticket price is $12 will be printed. Else, ticket price is $20 will be printed. Else, if member, ticket price is $8 will be printed for ages less than 18. Else, ticket price is $10 will be printed. We will now try the codes in VS Code. So here, the int variable A has the value of 10 and the int variable B has a value of 2. If A is greater than B, then A is greater than B will be printed. Here it works because 10 is greater than 2. Also, in this example, since the score is 95, A is going to be printed, as 95 is greater than or equal to 89.5. Here it works. But what if we change that 95 to 75? Then C will be printed, as none of the first two conditions here worked, but 75 is greater than or equal to 69.5, C is going to be printed. Here, the int variable A has value of 2, int variable B has a value of 10, and if A is greater than B, A is greater than B will be printed. Else, B is greater than A will be printed. Here, B is greater than A is printed, because if A is greater than B, it was executed, but 2 is not greater than 10. So then it automatically moves on to the else part of this else side of things. And B is greater than A is printed. Here, age is 24. The member is true. If age is greater than or equal to 18, if member is checked. If that's true, then ticket price is $12, else the ticket price will be $20. Else, if member, the ticket price is $8. If not, ticket price is $10. Here, the ticket price is $12 as this part was executed. 24 is greater than or equal to 18 and member is true, so ticket price is 12. But what if we were to change the age to 14 and the member to false? Then the ticket price would be $10 as this part was, as if age is greater than or equal to 18 is not true, but if member is not true, so then this will not be executed either. So therefore, the ticket price is $10. That's all for now. Bye.